Hello, my name is Shelley Keeney. I'm the Market Director for the Wild Ramp Market located in Huntington, West Virginia. So the Wild Ramp is a farmer's market. We are a year-round indoor farmer's market, open 7 days a week. We have a wide variety of products. We have produce, baked goods, meats, eggs, dairy, value-added products such as pickles and jams and jellies.
Our product here at the Wild Ramp is local honey. I'm a local beekeeper. We started just a month or so after Wild Ramp started. I could bring it into the Wild Ramp, put it on the shelf, and they would sell it and send me a check. And so it freed up me a lot of extra time. Plus, it's a lot more exposure because you have lots of people coming in, looking at your product and everything, which I could never meet on my own. So it just makes sense.
Our mission is to grow a vibrant local food economy to give access to consumers to local product.
My name is Lisa Turley and I own Lisa's Jars of Love. I am ecstatic to be able to sell at the Wild Ramp. I would not be able to be doing the business that I'm doing at this point without the Wild Ramp.
We only sell local products at our market, and everything is from within a 250-mile range, but most of our products are within a 50-mile range. So we have about 145 producers that sell at our market.
Because you get the freshest produce grown right here in our area. Many times when we deliver to the Wild Ramp, it's things that we just harvested that morning, packaged up solely for people to come to the Wild Ramp to get.
So as a consumer, it's important that you contribute to your local food economy, and when you shop at a farmer's market, that's exactly what you do. Buying food closer to home, which is definitely healthier for you, healthier for the environment. You're supporting local farmers, you're helping your community come together.
If you really want something that tastes really like it's supposed to taste, Wild Ramp is the place to find it.